This is our plan for the treehouse. We downloaded it from some website. I'll put it in the description. We mark the parts as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever, and we'll start from number 1.
Birdhouse.
Birdhouse. This is the first part. This is the center. Let's drill. I'm going to use an 18 gauge nailer, and I think it's 1 3/4 galvanized nails. Since my wood looks like this, or the leftovers, I'm using the clamps. I'm switching to 1-inch nails. If you do it on your own, there is this tool to cut the nails, curve them, or as I did, use your imagination. But this is much more convenient. Damp cloth. Light sanding with 220. Penofin oil, sable color. Now I'm wiping off the excess. I need a slope for the little birds to be able to get out of the nest. Countersink. Time taken, around 5 hours. Cost for materials, around 150, but you can reuse the nails, oil and even the wood. Cost for materials and tools, around 1500. Thanks for watching.